To download MetaMask on Android, start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Type MetaMask in the search bar and select the MetaMask app from the search results. Ensure the app is developed by Consensus Software Inc. to verify its authenticity. Click the Install button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the MetaMask app. Upon launching the app, you will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are new to MetaMask, select the Create a Wallet option. Read and agree to the terms of service. Then click Next. You will be asked to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password, and confirm it by re-entering it in the next field. Click Next to proceed. MetaMask will then generate a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe and secure location. Click Next, and you will be asked to confirm your seed phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. This is a security measure to ensure you have properly saved your seed phrase. Once you have confirmed your seed phrase, your wallet will be set up and ready to use. You can now add cryptocurrencies to your wallet, browse decentralized applications, and manage your digital assets. To ensure the security of your wallet, always keep your seed phrase and password confidential, and never share them with anyone. Regularly update your app to the latest version to protect against potential security vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can easily download and set up MetaMask on your Android device and start exploring the world of decentralized finance and blockchain technology.